Ready? Hi guys, Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we're going to make a vegetable pizza. And I'm going to show you how to make the bread mix with a lot more fiber in it to make it higher in fiber, higher in protein, okay? So what I got here is my garlicaholic bread mix. I put it in a cereal bowl. Can you see me from there?
Yeah.
I'm going to add a half a cup of egg whites to this because I'm adding a tablespoon of oat fiber. So this is a different recipe. You can actually get more out of your mix. So I'm doing a half a cup of egg whites, a quarter cup of Greek yogurt. I use plain non-fat Greek yogurt. And then I do, where's my oat fiber? I do a tablespoon of oat fiber. And I don't have a tablespoon here, but I can measure about a tablespoon. That's probably about a tablespoon. So there's my tablespoon of oat fiber. So I'm going to mix this up now. And I'm going to put it in my Dash Express. You guys can microwave this if you want. You don't have to have a Dash Express, but if you like flatbread, you want a Dash Express. This makes the best pizza. It makes the absolute best flatbread. It does not make tortillas. You need a tortilla maker for that. But I do everything in there. I scramble eggs in it. I cook sausage in it. I do my noodles in it. If you just want to saute onions real quick, you can saute onions in it and they come out really brown real quick. So I'm going to spray this. This one's like that. I'm going to put this in here. Again, guys, if I was home, I would just wet my fingers and spread it out. But it looks like it's spreading out okay. So we're going to just let this cook, okay? And then after it's done cooking, what I do is flip it. And then when it's done cooking on both sides, I take it out and I'm going to add everything to it, okay? So here's what I do, guys. I never ever use ranch dressing. I don't like to buy a lot of dips. Like I do have some dip I'm selling here, but once I figure out how to make it, the thing is when you're buying stuff like that, they add calories, you know? Like you don't need to have sour cream. You can just make ranch dressing with Greek yogurt and it's delicious. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I got some plain non-fat Greek yogurt and I got ranch seasoning, okay? This is the healthiest way to eat ranch dressing. So you can put, I would say in a half a cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt, use about anywhere from a teaspoon to 1 to 2 teaspoons of the ranch seasoning. That'll give it a really good flavor. Now we're gonna mix it. We're gonna spread it on the flatbread. So think about this. When you make the bread this way, you're talking over 30 grams, it's about 27 grams protein, 20 grams of fiber, and you're at about 200 calories for that. Now you're adding Greek yogurt, that's adding more protein, okay? So this whole thing is probably at the very end going to be about 35 grams of protein. And you can put whatever vegetables you want on it. So I've got cut up broccoli and carrots and mushrooms. Is there anybody that like absolutely hates mushrooms? All right, I won't give you, I'll like give you a bite that doesn't have any. Okay guys? And there you have it. And there's some, you can put, I've got avocado, like we can just sprinkle some avocado on it. You can do whatever you want. Avocado gives it a little bit more fat, but if you're someone who doesn't have a gallbladder, this is perfect for you without the avocado, okay? A lot of people don't have a gallbladder, they can't do a lot of fat. This is all protein and all fiber and no fat. The only fat, there's about 4 grams of fat in the mix itself, and that's about it. Okay guys, so here it is. Beautiful vegetable pizza, very filling. It's just something delicious that you can have. Just another different recipe for to eat healthy and low carb carb and to lose weight on. And again, it's high in protein and fiber. Okay, guys, we love you. Come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. And make sure you visit healthytreatsmarket.com. You can click on the 3 bars and see more recipes like this that we got. Thanks for watching.